Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of 50Express tutorials. Today I will be teaching you how to make chocolate covered Oreos using our 50Express white chocolate, edible glue, and tipless bags. Are you ready? Let's get started! Today we will need the following ingredients and tools: 50Express white chocolate, Oreo cookies, edible images, 50Express edible glue, 50Express tipless bags, brush set, Oreo chocolate mold, and plastic spatula. First, we will place our 50Express white chocolate into our deli cups. These are perfect for melting chocolate and are safe to use in the microwave. Heat your white chocolate in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Use your spatula to mix the chocolate after each interval. You will know your chocolate is ready when it runs off the spatula smoothly. Take your seamless bag and place it into a cup and pour your white chocolate. This helps you keep your chocolate in the bag and off the counter. Remove the tipless bag out of the cup. Then tie a knot to keep the chocolate from falling. Cut the tip of your seamless bag and fill the Oreo chocolate mold a quarter of the way up. Then give it a light tap. Then place the Oreo cookie on top. Fill the rest of your Oreo mold with some more chocolate. Make sure to cover the entire Oreo cookie. Give it another light tap to remove all the air bubbles. Now we will put our Oreos in the freezer for a few minutes to dry. When fully dry, take them out of the freezer and remove them from the mold. Cut out your edible images using scissors. These images are completely edible. They are made with sugar and edible ink. These edible images can be used for many desserts like cakes, Oreos, Rice Krispies, strawberries, and much more. It's a nice way to personalize your desserts and chocolate treats. So there you have it, my lovely followers. That's how easy it is to make chocolate covered Oreos using edible images. Thank you so much for watching this 50Express tutorial. Hope you enjoyed making chocolate covered Oreos with me. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our 50Express YouTube channel, and remember you can find these products and more at 50expressonline.com.